Alrighty, welcome back. We are doing some more science-y art today. Not as much science as it really is art. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own liquid watercolors. And all you're going to need is some water and some food coloring. So let's get started. So in front of me I already have a bunch of colors laid out that I did before. And I actually painted this one with them except for the black. I did not mix my own black because I have it. So to do this, all you want to do is, I have some water here and I'm going to pour it into my smaller cup. And to this, we'll do light green. So to this, you will just add 2 or 3 drops of food coloring depending on how dark you want it. I'm going to go with 2 because I want a nice light green. And that's it. Easy peasy. So I'll just show you what that looks like. It's a really light yellowy green. So like I said, if I wanted the color to be darker, I would just add some more food coloring and we would get there. All right, so now that you know how to make your own food coloring, we are going to do our own Polaroid. So to do that, you will need some watercolor paper. So here's my watercolor paper, and it's kind of dirty. Oh well, I'll flip it over. And we are going to cut our watercolor paper to be 10 centimeters by 11. Okay, so we're back. Not because it's dry, but actually because my video stopped recording in the middle. So I'm going to re-show you how to put our watercolor paper onto our other paper. So, because we missed it last time, here we go again. So here's my Polaroid size piece of paper, which again is 10 centimeters by 11.5 centimeters. And what I'm going to do is I have some washi tape here. I'm going to grab it. And before I did measure around the edges, it was a 1/2 centimeter on 3 and 2 centimeters for the bottom one. This time I'm just going to wing it. And the most important thing here is to make sure that you press down really hard on all of your edges so that paint doesn't seep under and ruin our nice crisp white edges. Okay, so now that I have re-shown you how to do that, I'm also going to go ahead and just paint another nice sky scene while we wait for the other one to dry. Woo! Making a terrible mess this time. My bad. All right, let's get in there with some blue. All right, so there you have it again. That's just a quick way that you can use up some really nice, and I think it gives you really nice color. In my opinion, it gives you pretty nice color, especially this blue here. The nice thing about this is that because it is liquid watercolor, you don't always have to, it's up to you. You're the artist, do as you wish. And now once this dries, you could go in, you could do a landscape scene, you could put some birds in the background, you can do whatever you want. It's your Polaroid. So let me bring back my one. Oh, let me make sure that the video is still recording first. Oh, good, it is. Okay, so let me bring back this one because it is a little drier. And I'm not gonna put anything in the background. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like when we tear the masking tape off. If you're worried about it sticking too much, you can always tap it on your shirt or your jeans or whatever beforehand. And there you have it. Ta-da! There is a nice watercolor Polaroid. And like I said, you can go back in when it's dry. Again, I would leave the tape on it beforehand, but then whenever you do pull it off, it's beautiful. So again, here's some other ones I did. It's a nice way to make small watercolor paintings. Ta-da! And the best part is, we didn't have to buy paint. We just needed food coloring and water. So there you have it. I hope you like this. If not, sorry. Don't forget next week summer reading starts. So if you are not signed up, go to clsv.beanstack.org and get signed up. We're going to be doing stuff all summer long, even if it's virtual. So I'll see you guys later.